Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It is Sunday I just looked too, the 18th, and I'm going to be putting this up tonight at midnight, Monday, so happy Monday. I wanted to do a quick little update, keep you guys, I like to keep my viewers, my subscribers, my friends, my brothers and sisters out there in YouTube land, I like to keep you guys informed, just so you guys know what's going on, you know, not holding any secrets. Today is my first day off in like 2 weeks. I've been working a lot of overtime. What happened was, the place I work, because I work security, and we contract with a company, say, well, we want security in, so we do that. And what it is they have contracted hours, and they say you have to fill X number of hours a week, and then we'll cut you a big check, and then we get a portion of it, and the company profits. So they're profiting off our hard work. Anyway, so yeah, so the company opened a new building and promoted a guy to that building, leaving his spot open. Because of the contracted hours, they need that spot filled. Then they called me and said, hey, are you willing to work here this day? And I said, and the first day I did it, it was dumping rain anyway, and I said, yeah, sure, it's raining anyway. I'd rather go make 12 hours a time and a half, and instead of sitting home, you know, doing nothing or watching videos. I mean, I guess I could have gone to the park and shot a cooking video, but you know, I decided, because I've been running a little bit behind on the old bills, not super behind because I'm pretty much already caught up. Wow, lost my own chain of thought again. Damn it. Oh yeah, so I'm getting caught up on bills. So then the next week they asked me if I'd work again, and I said sure. And then the next week after that they said, well, can you work again? And I said, yeah, okay. And then I got called in both Saturday and Sunday, so I went into work. And then I'm working, basically, I worked yesterday. Today's my first day off in like 2 weeks. And then next weekend I'm working both days. And then the weekend after that I'm working, I think, both days again, because the site down south will need me Saturday, but then my site will need me on Sunday to cover for a guy who's he's got like 100 hours of PTO, and if he doesn't use it, he's going to lose it. So they're like, well, take the day off, get paid, stay home, relax. And I'm thinking, shit, I'll take the time off. You can pay me to sit home, and I'll be happy. But unfortunately, they won't let you transfer PTO hours, so I'm covering him, so basically like 2 more weeks of solid working. Okay, so Wednesdays, I'm still able to cook something during the week because I don't go in until noon. So that won't stop. The Fired Up Fridays still won't stop. I'm actually going to be out here shooting a few videos today. I've got a couple things. This video is going to go up Monday, which is not a normal upload day. And I'm not going to put any ads on it. It's just a quick update. I'm just at the park. It's one of the parks I go to where I shoot my videos close to home. It's actually the street I shoot my Fired Up Fridays on. Which I gotta be careful of because we're under burn ban right now. So yeah, so we get the burn ban, so I'm able to do that, and I've got a few vids still coming up. I've got an update video. I got a boot video coming, and I got an update to that boot video coming because I took my boots to a cobbler, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be doing a couple videos here today. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything on Monday. And Tuesday, I'm going to be doing, I got to drive all the way down to Seattle again and pick up my other boots, which I'll explain in the update, what's going on with that. And then, yeah, I'll just be working a lot. So just want to keep you guys in the loop of what's going on. It sucks not getting out and going camping, but it's also nice and less stress to be caught up and not behind. So, you know, it is what it is. Oh, and I think Thursday I'm going to run down and get a new camera. I think, knock on wood. If I had it, well, trees over there, maybe I can go over and do a knock. There we go. knock on wood for a new camera. Hopefully that will work out. I've got an idea what I want. Unfortunately, I'll be shooting the Fired Up Friday for Friday on Wednesday, and then I'll edit the video in the morning and then head down and look at the camera. But next week I'll be hopefully shooting on a new camera, which will have better focus. I think it will be waterproof, so all that will be good. So maybe I can get out during the, when the overtime finally comes to a halt, I can start getting back out again. But then by that time it's going to be fall and the weather's going to be foul. But I'll have a waterproof camera, I can get out and still do things. So hopefully that will go well, knock on wood. So I think I've rambled enough. I appreciate all you guys who stick with me, who've been patient during these few weeks, past several weeks now. I mean, I got to admit the money's been nice. I really haven't been dumping a lot of money in the gear. I mean, I did buy those 2 bags, no regrets, and I got my boots fixed, so I'm actually wearing them right now, which I will go over. Excuse me. I didn't bring anything to drink either. So, yeah. So all that will be coming, and then I'll just get out every chance I get and do what I can. But if there's no videos suddenly on a weekend, you'll know why, and here's why. But hopefully I can get some stuff shot and done today. If I get my ass going. So, anyway. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, a little bit more. And, yeah.